If you're having trouble enabling multiplayer in Elden Ring, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve common issues. Follow these steps to get back to playing with friends. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or games to confirm that your connection is not the issue. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that Elden Ring is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve multiplayer functionality. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Access your network settings and ensure that your NAT type is set to open. If it is set to strict or moderate, you may need to adjust your router settings or enable UPnP to improve connectivity. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus. Verify that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Elden Ring. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Restart the game in console. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your gaming console can resolve connectivity issues. Close the game completely, restart your console, and then relaunch Elden Ring to see if multiplayer is working. By following these steps, you should be able to enable multiplayer in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's official support for further assistance. Happy gaming!